Hi gang, just me today. With everything going on lately, scheduling's been a little bit tricky, so I hope we're okay with just a Smiley video today and a Loki video today. Loki is gonna be in place of Peanut. So today, without Peanut, I was trying to figure out what I could do with just me, and it reminded me of the last video we made where we took a bunch of 30-minute missions, 30-minute fantasy, and tried to see if we could kit bash things with 30-minute sisters. And I think the only time we've done a full 30-minute sister fresh build, free build, was when we did the maid, and it was a lot of fun. So I was like, I have a whole bunch of the newer 30-minute sister stuff, and I want to see what I can do with it. So there's a bunch of newer outfit body parts. I was really looking forward to the name gets me. The Sigma Sisters is one I was really looking forward to. So this was one of the options. Recently, this past month, there's the nurse outfit. What are they calling this one? Aider costume? That's a nurse. I was hoping that she would have optional chest sizes, but I think it might just be tiggle bitties and that's it. With this one, you do get sizes. You've got big old bitties and then the more covered option. And you can also choose if you want to show the tum-tum or not. So a little bit more variety with this one. And then lastly, this one we've had for a couple of months. Options part 16, fairy costume I think is very cute. But with this one, I want to do more with it, and I don't know if I have enough things to make this look what I want it to look like. So I don't think I'll be able to do this one today. I want to collect some more stuff. You can have this one, Loki. This can be yours. So between the two of these, they come with the outfits, they come with the... You like this one? They come with the arms and the legs. It'll let you know what color you're working with. So I think both of these are color A. Both of these are color A. Oh, hi, buddy. You want to come sit on my lap? Come here. Yeah. And I have a bunch of newer face and hair pieces. So for the faces, this one is really cute. I tried pulling all the sample stickers off and I ended up making a bigger mess than I was having success. I'm a big fan of this one. This little teehee moment, I really want to use that. The other face box is pink eyes, more like aggressive, angry faces. Loki likes this one too. He's right below. He's right here. Ah! Oh goodness. And then for hair pieces, there's 4, because they always come out as a set of 4, right? So there's the long blonde hair, there's the black pigtail hair, the wavy white hair, and the pink pigtails. So these all came out as a set together. Is it volume 11 of the hair pieces. The face is facial set 7 and facial 8. Facial 7 and 8. So I was looking at the hair options and I was looking at the kits, and what I think speaks to me, which is a bummer, because originally I was like, I'm gonna do this one because I've been looking forward to it for so long. But based on the hair and faces, I think the nurse with the pink pigtails and the teehee face might be a winner. It sounds like Clue. The nurse outfit in the study with the pigtails and the teehee. That's kind of what I'm looking at doing, because I think the 3 of these are a winning combination. You're a winner, baby. So I think that's going to be the plan. And then we're going to have to circle back at some point to the Sigma Sisters, because I really like this outfit. But I feel like I'm particular. If I really like an outfit, I really want to like a hair and a face style that goes with it as well. And looking at the options here, nothing jumps out to me and is like, that's a Sigma Sister. Mind you, we also have copious amounts of hairstyles and faces in a plastic baggie that looks terrifying. So I might have to go through that with these ladies another time. But I can look forward to that. So I think winner, winner, chicken dinner. We're gonna go with part set 17, nurse. What's the nurse's name from Pokemon? Because I think the officer is Jenny. Joy, Nurse Joy! No, I can't do that to Nurse Joy. She's gonna be a little bit too lewd, but we will go. I put down all the pieces. Okay, these ones. I wanted these ones. I had them all on my lap and I was gonna start doing the wrong ones. we have the goods, so let's switch our screen and let's start to unbagging and unboxing. So let's get on into it. Loki's already in his position. He's ready to watch the lady come to life. The amount of pinks. Oh my goodness. So cute. Oh, so nice, Loki. Yes. Does she come with hair? Is there hair in this box? Wait a minute. Did I not need a hairpiece? Don't. No! He punctured it. Don't eat. No eat. Maybe she does come with hair. Well, I think we might still swap the hair anyways. Okay, pardon all the crinklies. Let's get these open. Yes. Yes. Don't eat. So she does come with hair. But I still think I'm going to go for pink pigtails because I want to see what it looks like. Hair. Oh no, this one's the eyeballs. I failed successfully on that. Very good. Don't eat. Don't eat. Don't eat. You're just causing a ruckus today. There, you want faces? And then we've got the hairstyle. That one opened pretty good. There we go. For the instructions on these ones, they're inside the box. I'm pretty sure I could figure this out, but I don't want to mess her up. So we're going to open it up and make sure that I do a good job. Oh gosh, I ripped the instructions. Well, I got the important bits. Why are you eating everything? Oh, there's 3. I thought there was only 2. Okay, cool. I still think I'm going to go for this, the tee-hee moment. These are the 3... No. At least true one that I'm not going to use. These are the 3 faces that come in the optional face kit that we've got. Very pretty, like, light blue-green eyes, I would say is probably what that color is. Even though I'm giving her pink hair, I realize that she has blonde eyebrows. So we're gonna see if... Ow, my finger's in there too, sir. Cease. We're gonna see if her bangs come down and cover her eyebrows so that I don't have to worry about painting them. Ta-da! Okay, we have everything that we need to get started, so we'll start with the head first so that we can see how the combination of the hair and the face go together. This is how she looks with her hair and her face completed. I really like the pigtails. I think they're very cute. They're on ball joints, so you can figure out how you want them to be positioned. Her eyebrows are pretty much covered, so I think I can leave the blonde eyebrows in there. It's so cute. So let's give her a body next. Look at her. So she now has a torso and her little hat. Her hat actually has a black piece that goes underneath the pink, but it got in the way of the pigtails. I couldn't put it on, so I think just the pink looks cute, but if you want a little bit more color separation, there is a black piece that goes under here. She's so adorable. I'm loving the amount of pink. But I did mess up, and I forgot that she's gonna need arms and legs because they don't come as part of this optional body kit. It just comes with what you see here. So from here to here is what the kit comes with, including the hat. So I'm gonna need to see if I have any additional body parts. I hope so. I surely hope so. But in the meantime, I did build the hair that comes with the kit, and this is the optional face that came in the same set as this one. So she would normally have this blonde low pigtail look instead of the high twin tails, but I think I like the pink hair with the pink outfit. The sheer amount of pink is what's really selling me. So I'm going to go see if I can find limbs for this lady, and I'll be right back. Okay, I have started to pull out my suspicious sandwich baggies of floating limbs, and I see some legs in here. So this has a pair of legs and hands, but no arms. This one has arms and legs, but I don't know if they're color A or B. Oh no, she's gonna be a Frankenstein's monster. She doesn't deserve this, she's too cute. I think they're two different colored legs. I'm pretty positive these are not the right colored legs. Oh no, okay, what about these ones? Uh-oh, team. Uh-oh, team. No! Okay, unfortunate, but we're gonna have to make do. I'm gonna take her little bare feet off because she does come with little shoesies. This feels so wrong. I'm so sorry, lady. At least they can't look at your tootsies because you got little shoesies that came with you. What are these tiny little feetsies? Put it back in the suspicious bag. And then arms that are not the right color. Oh no. Oh no. If you don't look too closely, it passes. Maybe I'll give her white hands to make it look like she's got gloves on. And to further hide the fact that she is not the right color. We're doing our best. They'll never know. How would they know? She looks like she's dying on the operating table. We need to do something. Alright, gang, this is what we ended up with. So unfortunately, she's a little bit Frankenstein in the sense that, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I think up here is color A and her legs down here are color B, which just happened to be an extra set of arms and legs that I had laying around. To try and preserve the upper arms a little bit, I gave her white extra hands that I had laying around to make it look like she's got a glove on, kind of a medical glove nursey look. I think that worked out well to try and further hide the amount of color B skin that she's showing instead of color A skin. I think what I would prefer to do down here is if I had a white leg and I could give her like a pair of thigh-high stockings, I think that would look really cute on her, because the bare leg isn't doing it for me, especially because she's got kind of a clunkier shoe on down here. It would be nice to have a full solid color leg here. But here to here is adorable. I'm a really big fan. I think she's absolutely a cutie patootie. I'm very happy with how it turned out. But lessons learned that for kits like these, you will need to have the additional arms and legs. In the instructions, it shows you different kits that you can use for the arms and the legs. So I think this one's name might have been Euphia, something like that. Yeah, Euphia. So they use her arms and legs to give it more of a white cover for the top and the bottom, which is similar to what I'm looking for, but not so chunky. I'd like it to be a little bit more elegant. Bare legs looking kind of funny. But all in all, I am happy with how she turned out. This floating head is going to have to go in the bag of other random floating heads. Oh gosh, this box is falling apart now. I need a better way to store all of these. Look at all of these extra heads that we've got, heads and faces, and this doesn't include the ones that we still have in the boxes. So we have plenty of head characterization, customization, lots of hair and faces, but if we want to do more of these bodies, like with the Sigma Sisters that we have, I think the Sigma Sisters might come with a full set actually, but the elf one for sure, I don't have arms and legs for her, so I'm gonna need more. That's how they get you, isn't it? This is how they get you, because now I need more arms and legs of skin color A, because I have an extra set of just legs now for skin color B. I know I could just kit bash the ones that I have, but they're all cute individually, so I like having like each individual one. It's just cute. I just realized that how I store all of our extra 30-minute sisters extra weird body parts is in a box for the optional body parts. So if anyone was looking for optional body parts, this is the arms and the legs. This is the kind of box that you're looking for. And then whatever color variant of the skin tone you're looking for will be listed on the front of the box here. So let's see if I can give you guys like a closer look to what she's looking like. She's so cute. Adorable. With this camera, you can see the difference in the color for her skin a little bit better. Right here, when you see the thigh, this is color A. This, I think, is color B. You can tell that B is a little bit lighter, a paler skin tone. She's still so cute, though. I love to look at her. She does come with an extra peg that can go on the back, so if you want to use a stand, then you could do that here. Broke her ankle. Back look, she's a little bit cheeked up. I actually kind of like the chunky sneaker. I think that's cute. I wonder what Peanut's gonna think of this girl. I think she's really gonna like it. I think the pink hair was the way to go. Love her. As always, thank you so much to Plamo for sponsoring this video and for sending us our sweet little lady. And now we've been suckered into buying more limbs, so we're gonna have to go do that very soon. Thank you so much everyone for hanging out, even though it was just me. I appreciate your company. Have a good day. Bye!